Welcome! We are taking you to the British Virgin Islands without breaking the bank. Imagine all-inclusive luxury, crystal clear waters, white sand beaches, gourmet meals, and tropical drinks for under $250 a night. I've scouted 5 incredible, budget-friendly resorts where you can wake up to ocean breezes, snorkel turquoise bays, and truly unwind. No hidden fees, no stress, just pure Caribbean bliss. We'll break down what's included at each spot, from meals and drinks to water sports and tours. By the end, you'll be ready to book a trip that fills your soul, not empties your wallet. Let's dive in and find your affordable paradise. First up, let's escape to the Anegada Beach Club, a hidden gem on the remote coral island of Anegada in the British Virgin Islands. This is a place where the world feels far away, and the only thing on your agenda is pure relaxation. This isn't your average resort, it's glamping Caribbean style, where luxury meets nature in the most spectacular way. Imagine waking up in a beautifully appointed beachfront tent, just steps from the turquoise sea, with the gentle sound of waves as your morning alarm. Here, you get the best of both worlds, the comfort of a boutique hotel and the adventure of sleeping under canvas, all with the Caribbean breeze drifting through your room. Each morning, you can unzip your tent and step directly onto powdery white sand with the Caribbean Sea stretching out before you. The king-size beds are plush and inviting, and the views are simply unforgettable. Whether you're an early riser or a late sleeper, there's nothing quite like starting your day with your toes in the sand and the sun on your face. The all-inclusive package here is a true highlight, often under $250 a night. It covers 3 mouth-watering meals each day. You'll feast on fresh local cuisine, including Anegada's world-famous lobster, caught just offshore and grilled to perfection. Every meal is served with a side of ocean views and island hospitality. When it's time to unwind, head to the beach bar for a tropical cocktail, or lounge by the freshwater pool with a cool drink in hand. Whether you're mingling with other guests or simply soaking up the sun, every moment feels effortless and indulgent. The friendly staff are always ready with a smile and a recommendation for your next island adventure. For those craving a bit of action, water sports are included too. Try your hand at paddleboarding across the calm, crystal-clear waters, or grab a kayak and explore the coastline. Snorkeling the vibrant reef is a must. Colorful fish and coral gardens await just offshore, making every dip in the sea an adventure. Getting here is a breeze. Airport transfers are included, so from the moment you land, you're whisked straight into vacation mode. No stress, no hassle, just a seamless journey from the tiny island airport to your beachfront retreat. The Palapa retreat tents are designed for ultimate comfort, featuring private bathrooms, plush canopy beds, and hammocks on your porch for lazy afternoons. It's the perfect blend of rustic charm and modern convenience, with thoughtful touches that make you feel right at home. The vibe here is laid back and welcoming, whether you're looking to make new friends over dinner or find your own quiet escape in a hammock with a good book. There's a sense of community, but also plenty of space for solitude and reflection. Anegada's beaches are truly something special, vast empty stretches of powdery sand where you can walk for miles and see hardly another soul. It's a rare kind of tranquility, perfect for those who crave peace and natural beauty. For rustic chic adventure, unbeatable value, and a genuine taste of island life, Anegada Beach Club is a must-visit. It's a place where you can disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself, surrounded by the sights and sounds of the Caribbean. Here, luxury isn't about the price tag, it's about the experience. At Anegada Beach Club, you'll find that true indulgence comes from simple pleasures. A sunset over the sea, a fresh lobster dinner, and the feeling of sand between your toes. Next, we head to Tortola's Burt Hotel, a hidden gem that perfectly blends the island's rich history with breathtaking Caribbean scenery, all at an affordable price, with rooms starting at just $180 per night for an all-inclusive package. Perched high on a lush hillside above Road Town, the hotel offers a commanding view of the bustling harbor below, where sailboats and ferries glide across turquoise waters. The hotel is built on the site of a 17th-century Dutch fort, and you can still wander among the old stone walls and imagine the days when this spot guarded the island from pirates and privateers. Today, those same walls frame some of the most spectacular vistas in the British Virgin Islands, making every moment here feel steeped in history and romance. Guests can enjoy an all-inclusive package that features hearty Caribbean breakfasts and mouth-watering dinners at the hotel's on-site restaurant. Imagine starting your day with fresh tropical fruit and local specialties as the sun rises over the harbor, and ending it with a candlelit dinner while the sky turns shades of pink and gold. These meals are truly the perfect bookends to your island adventures. And with rates beginning at $180 per night, it's luxury that won't break the bank. Each room is designed for comfort and relaxation, with cozy furnishings and a private balcony where you can unwind and soak in those million-dollar sunsets. Whether you're sipping a cool drink or simply listening to the gentle sounds of the sea, it's the ideal setting to recharge after a day of exploring. The hotel's hilltop pool is a true oasis, offering panoramic views of the island and harbor below. Many packages include access to this serene spot, as well as exclusive discounts on local excursions, so you can easily plan a day of snorkeling, sailing, or hiking, then return for a refreshing swim with a view. Thanks to Fort Burt's central location, you're never far from adventure. Stroll through the vibrant local markets in Road Town, take a scenic drive to the famous Cane Garden Bay, or hop on a boat tour to discover hidden coves and neighboring islands. The hotel truly serves as your launchpad for exploring all that Tortola has to offer. What really sets Fort Burt apart is its warm, welcoming atmosphere. The staff go above and beyond to make you feel at home, always ready with a smile and insider tips on the best beaches, restaurants, and local events. Their genuine hospitality ensures every guest feels like part of the family. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, Fort Burt is the perfect base. Spend your days exploring, then return to the comfort of your room or the inviting lounge, where you can swap stories with fellow travelers and plan your next outing. There's a real sense of camaraderie here. Many guests return year after year, drawn by the friendly faces and the sense of community that makes every stay memorable. For travelers who appreciate a blend of history, stunning views, and great value, Fort Burt Hotel is a truly charming choice. The unique combination of historic architecture and modern comfort creates an atmosphere that's both timeless and inviting. With its unbeatable location, welcoming spirit, and all-inclusive rates starting at just $180 per night, Fort Burt is your gateway to the heart of the British Virgin Islands, a place where every day brings new discoveries and unforgettable memories. For classic Caribbean vibes, Sebastian's on the beach is the postcard-perfect choice. Nestled in the heart of the British Virgin Islands, this charming resort offers an idyllic escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Located on Tortola's Little Apple Bay, this beloved spot puts you right on the sand, fall asleep to the sound of waves, wake up to ocean views. Imagine starting your day with the gentle sound of the ocean as your alarm clock and stepping out onto your balcony to witness a breathtaking sunrise over the Caribbean Sea. The all-inclusive package covers all meals at their seaside restaurant, featuring fresh seafood and local favorites. Savor the taste of the Caribbean with dishes prepared using the freshest ingredients, all while enjoying the stunning ocean views that accompany every meal. Non-motorized water sports like snorkeling and kayaking are included, so you can play in the bay or explore the coastline. Dive into the crystal clear waters to discover vibrant marine life or paddle along the serene coastline to uncover hidden coves and secluded beaches. Complimentary Wi-Fi lets you share those sunset photos with friends back home. Stay connected with loved ones and make them envious with snapshots of your tropical paradise, all while lounging on the beach with the sound of the waves in the background. The atmosphere is relaxed and friendly, with a legendary beach bar where locals and travelers mingle. Enjoy a refreshing cocktail as you soak in the laid-back vibe and make new friends from around the world in this welcoming setting. The location is ideal for exploring Tortola's North Shore and nearby surf spots. Whether you're an experienced surfer or a beginner looking to catch your first wave, the nearby surf spots offer something for everyone. Rooms are simple, bright, and steps from the water. Choose beachfront for the ultimate experience. Each room is designed to maximize comfort and relaxation, with the soothing sounds of the ocean just outside your door. This is the place to de-stress, read, swim, stroll the beach, and soak up the sun. Whether you prefer lounging with a good book, taking a refreshing dip in the sea, or simply walking along the sandy shores, Sebastian's offers the perfect setting for relaxation. Sebastian's delivers authentic island charm and unbeatable value. The friendly staff go above and beyond to ensure your stay is memorable, providing personalized service with a smile. It's a true gem for anyone seeking the heart and soul of the BVI. Experience the tranquility and beauty of this hidden paradise where every moment is a chance to create lasting memories. Here, you're not just a guest, you're part of the family. The warm and welcoming atmosphere makes you feel right at home, creating a sense of community that keeps guests coming back year after year. And the best part? Prices at Sebastian's on the beach start at just $220 per night for the all-inclusive package, making this classic Caribbean dream surprisingly affordable. Back in Road Town, Maria's by the Sea is the perfect base for explorers. This family-run hotel sits right on the harbor, offering easy access to ferries, shops, and all the action. The all-inclusive plan includes a hearty breakfast and a delicious dinner, fuel for your adventures with flexibility for lunch on the go. The standout? Guided island tours are often included, giving you insider access to Tortola's best sites with a local guide. Spacious rooms, many with harbor views, provide a restful retreat after a day of exploring. Relax by the pool or dine at the popular on-site restaurant, a favorite with both guests and locals. Maria's location makes island hopping a breeze. Jost Van Dyke, Virgin Gorda, and more are just a ferry ride away. The warm hospitality makes you feel like family, not just a guest. For active travelers who want to see it all, Maria's by the Sea is a brilliant budget-friendly choice with rates starting at just $180 per night for the all-inclusive package. It's your launch pad for unforgettable BVI adventures. Adventure, comfort, and value, all in one spot. Our final stop is Lambert Beach Resort, a secluded sanctuary on Tortola's northeast coast. Tucked on a half-moon beach, this resort offers exclusivity and tranquility, often with the beach all to yourself. The all-inclusive package features 3 daily meals of Mediterranean Caribbean cuisine, plus a selection of drinks. Lounge by one of the BVI's largest pools, complete with a swim-up bar, or enjoy paddleboarding and long beach walks. Rooms are set in bougainvillea-draped villas, each with a private terrace for morning coffee or sunset views. The atmosphere is peaceful, just the sound of surf and birds, perfect for true relaxation. Despite its seclusion, you're still close enough to explore Tortola if you wish. Most guests, though, never want to leave this restorative paradise. Lambert Beach Resort is ideal for couples or anyone needing to unplug and recharge. With rates starting at just $250 per night, it's elegant, affordable, and a true escape from the everyday. Here, paradise is effortless. There you have it. 5 amazing, affordable, all-inclusive resorts in the British Virgin Islands, each offering its own unique charm and unforgettable experiences. From glamping on Anegada's pristine shores to the secluded elegance of Lambert Beach, there's truly a perfect spot for every type of traveler out there. Which one calls to you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you've visited the BVI or have tips and stories to share, join the conversation below and connect with fellow travelers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for even more travel inspiration and helpful guides. Until next time, happy travels, and may you find your own piece of paradise wherever your journey takes you.